it's not a secret I try to hide. You know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Or maybe the world could be ours tonight.
You think it's easy? You think I don't wanna run to you, yeah. But there are mountains, and there are doors that we can walk through. I know you're wondering why, because you're able to be just you, yeah.
There's a stranger in my bed. There's a pounding in my head. Glitter all over the room. Pink flamingos in the pool. I smell like a minibar. DJ's passed out in the yard. Bobby's on the barbecue. This a hickey or a bruise. Pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. Oh well. It's a blacked out blur, but I'm pretty sure it ruled. Damn. Last Friday night, yeah, we danced on tabletops. Now we took too many shots. Think we kissed, but I forgot. Last Friday night, yeah, we maxed our credit cards. And you kicked out of the bar, so we hit the boulevard. Last Friday night, we went streaking in the park, skinny dipping in the dark, then had a menage a trois. Last Friday night, yeah, I think we broke the law. Always say we're gonna stop. Here's Friday night, do it all again. Here's Friday night, do it all again. Trying to connect the dots, don't know what to tell my boss. Think the city towed my car. Chandelier is on the floor with my favorite party dress. Warrants off of my arrest.
I wanna be an American singer, same as Taylor Swift. Poser, actress, director, and screenwriter. Hot, pretty, powerful, and magazine cover. Blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt. My school day was long and so Taylor Swift. Composer, actress, director, and screenwriter. Hot, pretty, powerful, and magazine cover. Blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt. I wanna be an American singer, sing as Taylor Swift. Composer, actress, director, and screenwriter. Hot, pretty, powerful, magazine cover. Blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt. I wanna be an American singer, sing as Taylor Swift. Composer, actress, director, and screenwriter. Hot, pretty, powerful, magazine cover. Blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt. Blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt. I wanna be an American singer, sing as Taylor Swift. Composer, actress, director, and screenwriter. Hot, pretty, powerful, magazine cover. Blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt. I wanna be an American singer, same as Taylor Swift. Composer, actress, director, and screenwriter. Hot, pretty, powerful, and magazine cover. Blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt. Blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt. I wanna be an American singer, sing as Taylor Swift. Composer, actress, director, and screenwriter. Hot, pretty, powerful, magazine cover. Blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt. I wanna be an American singer, same as Taylor Swift. a beautiful butt. I wanna be an American singer, sing as Taylor Swift, composer, actress, director, and screenwriter. Hot, pretty, powerful magazine cover, blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt. I wanna be an American singer, sing as Taylor Swift, composer, actress, director, and screenwriter. Hot, pretty, powerful, and magazine cover, blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt. I wanna be an American singer, sing as Taylor Swift, composer, actress, director, and screenwriter. Hot, pretty, powerful magazine cover, blonde with blue eyes, owner of a beautiful butt.